Hello friends, my name is Teacher Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I have been teaching VIPKID and teaching level 2 for a long time now, but these new interactive slides have thrown me off, this one especially. This one I've only seen in leveled reading, so I didn't know what to expect and I was dumbfounded. My student figured it out before me. And she showed me how to pull the tabs in order to find the pictures. So just in case you come across this slide and like me don't know what in the world you're looking at, here is what you do. You just drag the picture from those tabs on the sides, and that's how you find the pictures. And you throw it away in the trash can. Have a good day. Bye. Who is he?
He is Dad.
He is Dad. Very good.
Teacher, who is he?
Who is he?
Yeah, Dad.
He is Dad. Who is she?
She is my mom.
She is Mom. Who is she?
She is my mom.
She is Mom. Who is she?
She is my mom.
Very